Hey there, hackers white hat, of course. And security enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of open source intelligence on Kali Linux with a fantastic tool called Maryam. What is OSINT? Before we explore Maryam, let's understand OSINT. It's the art of gathering information from publicly available sources. Think social media, search engines, government websites, a treasure trove of data just waiting to be unearthed. Why use OSINT? OSINT is a powerful tool for security professionals and anyone who wants to understand a target better. It can be used for penetration testing, identifying vulnerabilities in a system's public footprint, competitive intelligence, gathering intel on your competitors' strategies and offerings, threat hunting, proactively searching for potential threats online, social engineering awareness, understanding how information can be misused. Now, let's meet Maryam. Developed by the Open Web Application Security Project, Maryam is a free and open-source OSINT framework built specifically for Kali Linux. It streamlines the process of collecting data from various sources, saving you time and effort. Maryam boasts a range of features, including search engine integration, search across multiple engines simultaneously, uncovering hidden gems. Social media mining, extract information from platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Web scraping, gather specific data from websites with ease. Data analysis and visualization, make sense of the collected information through reports and charts. Remember, OSINT is all about responsible data collection. Always adhere to ethical guidelines and respect privacy laws. While Maryam is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that OSINT is just one piece of the puzzle. For ethical and legal reasons, it should never be used for malicious purposes. Ready to unleash the power of OSINT? Stay tuned for our next video where we'll show you how to install and use Maryam on Kali Linux. In the meantime, leave a comment below and let us know what kind of OSINT projects you're interested in. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting cybersecurity content. We'll see you in the next video.